those which are extending beyond the end of the year, you may want to double check what references there are in those contracts to the EU. There could be, for instance, references to exclusivity. It's all very well saying you've got exclusivity in the European Union, and then finding yourself when the UK is outside the European Union that you've lost exclusivity. There's also, there might be clauses in there that rely on the assumption that the the EU law will apply after the end of this year because they were drafted years ago. That's something you need to consider. There may be clauses that are activated due to Brexit, such as price changes. And that may not specifically talk about Brexit. It may talk about some sort of aspect that's outside the control of the supplier. This, of course, is one. And that kind of clause may give them reason or legal justification to up their prices or possibly to terminate. And on the other side of things, you know, when we're talking about, for instance, changing your supplier, if you're locked into a long-term supply agreement, for instance, you may find that a force majeure clause helps you relieve yourself of that agreement because Brexit being a substantial change that's outside the control of the parties.